अभियंता मंच, एका अभियंत्यातल्या कलाकाराला न्याय मिळवून देणारा मंच. 12वी संपवून आपण इंजिनिअरिंगमध्ये येतो आणि मग सबमिशन्स आणि सेमिस्टर्समध्ये आपल्यामधील इतर कलागुण मागे पडत जातात. ह्याच कलागुणांना वाव देण्याचं कार्य अभियंता मंच गेली 4 वर्ष यशस्वीपणे कार्यरत करत आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे या स्पर्धात्मक युगात टिकण्यासाठी आवश्यक तो व्यक्तिमत्व विकास व्हावा यासाठीही अभियंता मंच कार्यरत आहे. तसंच पर्यावरणाच्या बाबतीतही जागरूक राहून यूथ टू यूथ ऑर्गनायझेशन या NGO बरोबर वृक्षारोपण कार्यक्रमात सहभाग घेतला होता. अभियंता मंचच्या अशाच अनेक उपक्रमांपैकी एक म्हणजे उधाण. उधाण या त्रैमासिकात टेक्निकल आणि नॉन टेक्निकल अशा सर्वच विषयांशी निगडीत माहिती आणि लेखांचा समावेश असतो. साहित्य, कला, शास्त्र या सर्वच शाखांशी निगडीत माहिती उधाणमध्ये असते. उधाण हे पुणे विद्यापीठाच्या स्तरावरचं पहिलं त्रैमासिक आहे. पुणे विद्यापीठामधील 24 कॉलेजेस उधाणचे सभासद आहेत. मी माननीय श्री उज्ज्वलजी निकम यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी उधाण या त्रैमासिकाचं प्रकाशन करावं. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या होऊन जाऊ दे. धन्यवाद निकम सर. सिंहगड कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंगचे प्राचार्य आणि अभियंता मंचचे मार्गदर्शक डॉक्टर पडळकर सरांना मी विनंती करते की त्यांनी आपल्याशी 2 शब्द बोलावेत.
Dignitaries on the dais, Ujjwal Nikam ji sir, all my colleagues and all the student friends, Abhiyanta Manch friends, a great pleasure this evening to be with you. The reason is very clear, my friends. All the time you are taking care that whatever the students are doing the best one at the national and state level and felicitating them. And this practice has been continued, and this year is no exception. Coming to the Abhiyanta Manch, how we started, let me tell, some of you may not be knowing how it happened. As Ujjwal Nikam is from Maharashtra, and there was an idea maybe 3 years back that some Maharashtra students who are coming from the rural area, they are not competing in many aspects of the entire engineering education, and how to support them. That was the idea, and that's why the concept came, let us have some forum who will give the confidence to the students who are coming from the rural background, and particularly from the Maharashtrian students. That was the idea. And then it was decided to have why not the title to this particular forum as Marathi Manch. But all of you know, always there are the complications if you go with a certain title. And then we decided to accommodate all the students who are in engineering, and the title was given Abhiyanta Manch. And that is helping a lot now. All the students are participating in this one. Let me tell what happened in the past. Students tried that particularly one important Abhiyan, no copy Abhiyan, that there will not be any copy in the engineering examination. Students went to all colleges and convinced the other students not to copy in the examinations. All of you are aware that what happens because of the copies at 10th and 12th level. And engineering was not exception in some extent, but now it has been reduced. Now I would like to give the one good project to the Abhiyanta Manch. Now Abhiyanta Manch is at Pune University level. Let them go to the Maharashtra level, and with some agenda, some goals. Important one, first we should start from this year 2011. we should start directly project competition of all Maharashtra engineering colleges in maybe around mid of June. That is a target already decided. So mid of June we may have the project competition, whatever the projects done by the Maharashtra engineering students, and around 300 engineering colleges are there, and let them participate and show their talent where we can invite the industry, because many students may develop the extremely best projects which may be patentable, which may be product development maybe tomorrow, and the industry may come forward and support that all the ideas, which was not happening. But Abhiyanta Manch can take this task and come with this project. I think this particular one project this time is sufficient. Next we will have another new project. I will not take much of time. I am always with you, and you are here to listen the Ujjwal Ji Nikam. Thank you.
थँक्यू सर. इथली लोकशाही शेणामेणाची नाही असं आपण छातीठोकपणे बाहेर सांगायचं आणि प्रत्यक्षात ती फार भक्कम नसल्याचंच आपण दाखवून द्यायचं. असा हा एकूणच आपल्या लोकशाहीचा आवाका झाल्याचं गेल्या काही दिवसांमध्ये दिसून येत आहे. भारतीय लोकशाही आज दहशतवाद्यांच्या कचाट्यात सापडली आहे. ही तुर्तास अमान्य न करता येण्यासारखी वस्तुस्थिती आहे. तू जपून